Hello students, very good morning. This is our maths class. As we have started subtraction lesson. In last class we have completed up to subtraction by counting backward. You all understood how to subtract the numbers by counting backward. Today we will do vertical subtraction. Now what is vertical subtraction? You can also subtract numbers by arranging the numbers in a vertical manner. Vertical manner means in a line, this way. In order to subtract numbers vertically, you can make that many circles or lines and then cross out to subtract. Look at the following example. Here examples are given. Subtract 3 from 8. See, 8 minus 3 we have written in this way. Earlier we have done addition also. You remember? Now this is subtraction in the vertical manner. So 8 minus 3. So first of all we will draw 8 circles, or you can make any 8 lines also. 1, 2, 3 this way. And then minus 3 we have to cross out the given number. If 3 is given, we have to cross out 3. Now let us count how much it is remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have written here 5. Similarly 7 minus 5. 7 circles we have to cross out 5. Remaining will be 2. So subtraction of numbers in this way is known as vertical subtraction. So let us solve these examples. 9 minus 4. See here, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to minus 4. So we will cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us count how many remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, understood? The remaining sums you do on your own. Try to solve it. Next is horizontal subtraction. You can also subtract numbers in the following manner. Now what is horizontal? Vertical means this way, in a line. And horizontal means straight, like this. So how will we subtract? Let's see. 6 flowers are given. And if we are taking 2 flowers away, how many are remaining? 4. This is known as horizontal arrangement of numbers. Subtraction of numbers in this way is known as horizontal subtraction. You understood? Horizontal means in a horizontal line, सीधी, and vertical means खड़ी line, ऐसे. Subtract horizontally. 1 has been done for you. See now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bugs are there. Minus 3. We have to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many remaining? 4. So we have to write here 4. So remaining sums try to do. You just have to cross out the subtraction number and write the answer. Now subtracting a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Revati has 18 balloons. 5 of her balloons got burst. How many balloons are left with Revati now? See, Revati is carrying 18 balloons. She is having 18 balloons. And 5 of her balloons got burst. 5 of her balloons. 5 balloons got burst. That means फूट गए 5 balloons. So how many will be remaining? We have to count it. How many balloons are there? 13 balloons are remaining. So this is the subtracting 1 digit. 5 is the 1 digit. Less than 10, all numbers are 1-digit number. And when the number is more than 10, it is the 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Less than 10, 1-digit number, and more than 10, 2-digit numbers. So we have to remember this. Now see, subtract the following by crossing out. This is the tens place and ones place. We will do in the vertical manner. Subtracting in the vertical manner. First of all, we will write the 2-digit numbers in tens and ones place. How many are these? We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So we will write here 19 minus. How much we have to subtract? 4. So we will cross out 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now how many are remaining? We will count it, but first of all we will solve here in vertical manner. See, in ones place, first of all, whenever we are subtracting or adding numbers, we have to start from ones place. Ones place, 9 minus 4. We will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we will minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5. So this is the ones place number. Now tens place 1 is remaining. So how will we take? It will be as it is. We will take here as it is. So the number will be 15. So let's confirm the number by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So our answer is correct. Answer is 15. Okay. In this way, you have to do these two sums also. First of all, we have to solve ones place numbers, then tens place. Always remember this. Ones place, first we will solve, then tens place. Now next is subtract by counting backward. One has been done for you. Now you all know the subtracting by counting backward. In counting backward, this is the horizontal manner. Horizontal means this line, like this. But now we are doing in vertical. So 16 minus 2. How it is solved? First of all, we will write 16. Then we have to move 2 times backward. 15, 14. Here we will do 14 minus 3. First we will take number 14. Then we have to go 3 times backward. So 3 circles. 1, 2 and 3. 14, 13, 12, 11. Answer will be the 11. And we will solve here also. 4 minus 3, 1. Tens place 1 will come here as it is. No changes. Understood? These answers you also have to write on your own. I have done this for you. Do these 4 sums on your own.